Dying is not a medical event. Dying is a social, communal event. And when we're at the bedside of someone who's dying, it is all about the community, about the togetherness, not about the medical stuff that's going on. But families don't know that. There are new rules for end-of-life care. Taking care of someone in the last months of their life is not like taking care of someone who's going to get better. But most people don't know this. And so my job is to help families understand the new rules. The normal, natural way that a person dies has a process. And that process involves three things: eating, sleeping, and withdrawing from the world around them. The hardest thing for me to get people to understand is that when a person has entered the dying process, it's okay not to eat. Food is what holds us in our body. Food is the anchor that holds us, that gives us grounding. And if the body's preparing to die, it doesn't want the food or the grounding. It's trying to let go. Dying is not painful. Dying does not cause pain. Disease causes pain. So you're going to look at a person's disease history to understand end-of-life pain. We watchers of the dying process are identifying it as it looks painful. Dying itself is not. The person's so removed from their physical body that they don't experience it in the same way that we who have a firm grip on this planet feel it. If pain has been a part of the disease process, and there's a lot of disease out there that has pain, then you are going to treat that pain until the person's last breath. There is no reason today for any person to die in pain. And if someone says to me, we've done everything we can and this person is still in pain, then my answer is, you have not done everything. What we want to give to that person who's leaving us is our presence, is our love, our care, and our concern. And it isn't necessarily the words that we say. It's our being there. The person who's dying, they're reaching a point where words really don't mean anything. It's that you're there. It's the touch, the holding. It's okay to get in bed with your loved one. It's okay to have the dog on the bed. It is that communal companionship, that presence that means more than anything else in the days to hours to even months before death.